Hey, Houston high-rise apartments are just gorgeous, aren't they? This is the Cortland Museum District in Houston, Texas. The Cortland Museum District in Houston, Texas. Look at these lines. Look at this beautiful, huge apartment in this gorgeous high-rise. I mean, look at this kitchen. This kitchen is massive. There's so much space here. It's so fun here. So many cabinets. Beautiful, beautiful brownish, really light brown cabinets, and I love this undermount lighting. It's really pretty and just so much space to work with. I mean, people are going to come in, they're going to love being in here, they're going to love wanting to be in here and congregating around this island and just having a lot of fun. Well, then you've got these spectacular views all the time, whether they're in the living room here or in the bedrooms. You've got great views waiting for you of Houston. Today, it's kind of a windy day. It's kind of interesting. This is the summer months too. Just a windy day, but man, you've got some beautiful views waiting for you of Houston, and can't wait for you to experience that. If you'd like to get some more information about this 2-bedroom or any 2-bedroom in the Cortland Museum District, or if you just want to chat about Houston high-rise apartments in general, send me a text. We're always a free service. The apartments work directly with us. There's no extra cost to use our service. In fact, it's all benefit because we work faster and we can compare many apartments subjectively all at once. So I just encourage you to send me a text. That's my number below. I'm Grant, and this is my channel.